Hi students, welcome to Dr. CSR Academy and myself G. Ramesh, Faculty of Chemistry. Here there is a point. Acidic and basic sense of some compounds like acids or bases. Suppose if there is a question given, formic acid and acetic acid, which is more acidic? On what basis can you solve this question? Yeah, here is the explanation. You can solve the question based on the inductive effect. Because simple logic is formic acid is HCOOH, carboxyl group is connected with hydrogen, while in the acetic acid, methyl group is there. Methyl group is a plus I group, which is an electron donating group. When the electron donating group is there, the carboxyl group have an electron supply, therefore a hydrogen release from the carboxyl group is less. Hence, acetic acid is weaker acid comparative to formic acid. The logic is based on inductive effect, which is called plus I effect. So conclusion is plus I effect is means more is means acidity decreases. So formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid. In the acetic acid, plus I effect is there. No plus I, no minus I in formic acid. Hope you understand. Thank you.